Video I want to show you guys how to transfer your pi coins to OKX exchange. So guys, if you don't have OKX, it is the same with all the exchanges like Binance, Bitget, Mexi and Bybit. So you can use this method to transfer your pi. It's very simple. So the first thing is go to your pi mainnet wallet, click on request. Just click on here request. You'll be able to see your scan manual, or just click on add manual wallet address. So what you want to do is go to OKX and we copy the pi wallet deposit. So let's go to OKX now. When you log into your OKX, click deposit crypto. Click deposit crypto. It's very easy. Just search pi. You can search pi and you'll see pi network. Click on pi network. Now you'll see your deposit address. You can see minimum is very small, 0.000 pi. Just click swap. Then copy this pi address. You can copy this pi address. Click copy. You have already copied your pi address. Make sure to confirm by checking the last digits. Just check the last digit. It is GPKM. Now go back to your pi account. Paste the address. Click paste. Memo, it's not a must you put a memo. Just click send. Or I've not put the amount, so let me put amount 0. Let's put 55. Click on send. The pi team will ask you if you confirm that address. Remember it's GPKM. Click confirm. After you click confirm, you'll be able to send your pi to OKX. It is very simple. Then you wait for February 20, and you can either sell or hold. So that's how you do it. So let's wait for it to send. There is a lot of traffic because currently many people know that they can withdraw their pi right now. So you can see transfer succeeded successfully. So let's go back to OKX so that we can check our pi if it has been deposited to OKX. Just go back to your dashboard. Just refresh your dashboard. Click on wallet asset. Click on funding. Click on funding and search pi. Search pi network. So the money will be transferred here to your funding. So if it is not in funding, just click back and check on your trading account. The same thing, and search for pi. You'll be able to see your pi after a while. So just wait for the pi to be deposited and you'll be able to see your pi network. So that's how you deposit your pi. The maximum supply of pi is 100 billion coins. Circulating supply is 6 billion coins. So if we get 1 billion market cap, you'll be able to get how much? So let's do a small calculation. Let's go to our calculator. You can predict the price of pi. So there is 6 billion coins. Let's say 1 billion market cap divided by 6 billion coins. So we can see a price of 0.16. Don't expect so much for now, but the price could go higher in the next bull run. So I expect for now 0.16 or less. If the market cap will not reach 1 billion, expect less, because the circulating supply is 6 billion coins. So that's it for now, guys. Make sure to subscribe this channel, because I'll be providing more details on PI as the news come along, how to deposit to Binance or Bybit or